Ooh wee! Paul Walker's ghost fist fights alien. Tell your kids they're slow. Oh my god, I'm dying. I mean, I just got on the bike, but I'm dying. Oh, it's so hot, I can't take it. Why did I put this jacket on? Oh, screw you, safety. It's a beautiful day out, but like, I don't know, I just put this jacket on and was standing next to my bike while it warmed up and I was toasty, bro. Now that I'm moving a little bit, I can survive, but if I have to sit in traffic, I'm gonna cry. Boy, it's a toasty one out today, I tell you what. I'll tell you what.
I tell you what.
I keep hearing propane advertisements on Pandora for some reason, and every single time I can't help but think of Hank Hill.
My name is Hank Hill, and I sell propane and propane accessories.
No, I'm not being dramatic. They really do hurt. I'm about to go to a car show and about to do my first mods on my car, hopefully if I have time before the show. You'll see this video after you've seen the car, but I'm about to go put on the little mud flaps, quote unquote, which are actually rock guards on the Camaro. And then also hopefully I'm putting back on the Diode Dynamics LED side markers. Calm down, Cracky. You don't need to be running out on the road like that. But yeah, I'm putting out my blacked out side markers back on because they look cool. Do I care that they're more visible than the stock ones? No, safety is not my priority. But are they blacked out? Do they look awesome with the black accents? Yeah, they do, bro. Plus each one adds 5 horsepower. Everyone likes horsepower. If you don't like horsepower, you're one of them communists and we're not friends. Also, if you drive well under the speed limit while there's cars behind you, you're also a communist and we can't be friends. A camel? Hi, camel. Bro, are you talking to the school bus driver? Come on, let the kids get out and let's go. We don't have all day.
2 hours later.
Finally. Tell your kids they're slow and I don't appreciate them. Ooh wee! I used to ride the bus. I was one of the cool kids in the back of the bus. I used to throw paper out the window because I was dumb. Egek 443. Well, I'm passing you at the next legal opportunity. Never mind. Never mind. Well played, sir. Well played. Oh no, no. Well, I've been bamboozled again. That was the weirdest sneeze. I tried to like muffle it and it made it do weird stuff. I don't know. You heard it? I don't know. It was weird. Look at them flowers. How am I supposed to Valentino Rossi around these corners if there's just slow Volkswagens in front of me? And whatever that thing is. Well, I'm on my way to my first car show with the new Camaro after I hopefully do these mods. That's what I was talking about, that I got so off track. I'm gonna try to get these done real quick. I have like less than an hour to do a lot. It's not really a lot, but like I don't have the room to do it nor the proper tools, so it's kind of annoying, but I think I can do it. And then I'm taking it out for the Fast 10 premiere. The Car Community Connection reserved a room for us to watch it in, so we're going out to a little pop-up car show and then watching the movie after. So yeah, I'll see the premiere tonight, get a little Fast 10 action. Hopefully they won't get too crazy in this one. I mean, they've already went to space. What's next? Vin Diesel teams up with Optimus Prime to save his family. Megatron returns, teamed up with Godzilla. Paul Walker's ghost fist fights aliens. There, now that I've set the bar that high, this movie can't be that ridiculous. Watch me be totally wrong. Then I got another car show tomorrow at the Governor's Gun Club. I say tomorrow, but it's going to have been like a week or two previous by the time you see this. Look at that doggo. Oh, that thing's so muscular. Oh, that's a good looking doggo. See, if I get a dog, I want it to be like a chonk, like a big old muscular boar. I say chonk, like not fat, but like chunk muskies. Give him some chunk musky boys. And of course my gas light just came on. I'll have to remember that. Look at that little cute doggo. See, like, I appreciate him, but I don't want one. Oh, there's my neighbor. I just don't want a tiny little dog. If I'm gonna get a dog, you know, then I might as well just have a cat. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. So I'll catch you next time, and then I'll let you know my thoughts about Fast 10. Or not, I might forget, who knows. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Catch you next time.